Alright, this is Kevin. We're currently reporting from San Jose. And we're going to be lighting the grand finale. God, you can't even see. We need the flashlight.
Grand finale.
Alright, this is how, this is real fireworks. This is how we're going to do it. The grand finale. Oh! Watch out! We're going crazy! Oh my God! This is a superb grand finale, as you can see. It always gets better towards the end. It's a little dark. This is Kevin reporting, by the way. We've still got our hot dog eating contest tomorrow, so we'll film that and put it on the league as well. But this is how we party hard. Hashtag sauceteam. Balls left. Andrew Wiggins, next LeBron. Shout out to Jacob and TJ. This one is still going. It's going strong.